What are you doing?
I found a mushroom.
Aren't you gonna set up your tent?
I don't need a tent. I got my ghillie suit. Yep, nothing between me and the stars except my ghillie suit. How much was your tent?
$400.
Mine was only $300.
What are you doing now?
I'm watching an ant. Jesus. You can't get this close to nature unless you got a freaking ghillie suit.
You know a deer would still be able to notice you, right? It can smell.
No. For a couple of payments of $300? This thing blocks every scent. You don't even have to take this thing off to go pee. It's mesh. Yeah, and there's a bundle of sticks attachment for stealth shitting. Yeah, I'm actually more comfortable in my ghillie suit than my birthday suit. But actually might go rinse off in the river now that I've been sitting in it for a while. This is gonna be the easiest 10 payments I ever made.
Oh my God, you guys get the truck. I just shot Bigfoot.
Hello! It's Crystal, and you're watching Courtesy Flush.
He's Bigfoot. Gonna get shot. He's hot. He's got a big butt. BFRO stands for Bigfoot Fetishizers Reunite Orally. Everybody wants a piece of that big old Bigfoot.